I've added a new tool to my hand plane wall. It's one you don't see often, but probably my most useful hand plane, the router plane. This one from a collab between KM Tools and Hong Dewey is super well made, and I've put it through a few projects to show you how well it works, project that I've had on my to-do list for a while. Thanks to Banggood for sending it over. I'll leave links in the description for anyone interested. First I'll show you what a router plane is. It comes with a blade that you can lower or raise, in this case 2 blades, a square one and a pointy one. The pointy one comes on a marking knife, has a dual purpose, so that's pretty cool. I'll have it here ready to use. Both can be sharpened on a stone using this little handle that keeps it flat against the stone. The goal of the router plane is to clear everything flat, almost sanded level of flat, at the height the blade is set relative to its base. You hold it by the 2 handles and as you'll see, it gets the job done very fast. My first project is to install this T-track into my workbench to use jigs on my router table. I could use the router like I'll do to get this started and do it entirely, but it would make so much dust, be loud, and just wait and see how simpler and cleaner it can be. With some guys, I got one layer done with the router, just so I have walls to follow along with the router plane. You could do this directly, but it's tricky, and I need really precise results for my T-track. Now that I have one line trace, let's get rid of all the guides. We won't need them anymore. The router plane will do the rest by itself. As you can see, this is taking layers off much faster and cleaner than the router, and it's effortless. This thing is sharp. Plywood is made by putting layers of alternating directions, so when I get the cross grain, I get a lot more small bits, and it's a little harder, but it gets through still. Each time I'm done, I turn the top wheel a little bit and it's precise where the dial ends, but for now I'm going by eye. As you can see, when I'm hitting long grain, the results are super smooth. I wouldn't even need to finish if I stopped. The next project, as you'll see, is hardwood and the results are impressive. Other uses for this would be cleaning up battles made on the table saw or the miter saw, removing saw blade traces at the bottom for a clean V-joint. Now that I've got enough space and didn't cover entirely my shop with dust from the handheld router, I'm ready to install this T-track and I'll be able to make some cool jigs on this. Subscribe and you won't miss out on any of that. Lots of cool builds coming up soon. My next project, if you've been watching the channel a lot, you've seen the final result and it's this super cool vise. As you can see, the front part, the aluminum, is not flush with the wood. And that's exactly what I'll do with the router plane, but this time I'll get started with good old chisels, and not a loud and dusty router. Same concept as earlier, on this walnut I traced what I wanted to remove, and removed just a little bit with the chisels. Then I got going with the router plane, layer by layer, about 2 millimeters per layer, and 5/6 later I was done. This was much easier than the plywood. Always removing long grain, it was effortless and fun. The result is spectacular for something all done by hand. I did use my drill press to do the holes. They needed to be perfect. I have a huge respect for people doing perfect hand drill holes. Maybe someday I will. I've left links in the description to this awesome vice kit too. It was also sent by Banggood. I've had a ton of fun making it with the KM Tools router plane and my chisels. It's something I made with my hands and I'm proud of it. I'll use it for years to come. If you watched my channel for a while, you know that I did use the router plane. I had another one before this, which worked great, but this one is more compact, more firm, just a treat to work on. Thanks to Banggood, KM Tools, and Hongdu. All those tools are fun to play with, and I'm happy to bring them to YouTube for some fun builds. See you next time for builds or tools of all sorts.